gonna start Python tutorial. We will go from basics. Today our agenda is, first of all we have to learn print statement and then we will learn variables in Python. First about print statements, start typing print. Then run it. This is the output. This is the print statement output in Python, whereas in C and Java we have to import a lot of stuff in order to print a statement. Python is such a simple syntax language. We must start with. Next we start with variables. First of all we have to remember some rules. We can't use Python keywords as a variable. For example, if, for, etc. The next rule is variables can't start with numbers. For example, 1ABC. Then run it. Then run it. This is the output. And it can't start with special characters like $. Then run the program. A variable can start with underscore and it can start with lowercase and uppercase alphabets. This is the output of our statement.